Hi guys, this is Chris Morton from binaryoptions.net.au, and in this video I'm reviewing IQOPTION. Now I think this is probably the best broker that I've seen in a long time. I think I've seen the future of what a binary options trading platform should be. This is just an awesome software, and I think you guys are going to love using IQOPTION. So firstly, I'll go through a few pros and cons that I believe you get with IQOPTION, and then I'll go through my rating and then a few key facts about IQOPTION, then actually look through the trading platform itself and do a few trades in a demo environment just to give you guys a look before going and trading there yourself. So we'll get into it. So the pros and cons of IQOPTION are that it's CSEC regulated, so it's a regulated broker, which is a huge plus. The main con being though that they won't accept US or Japanese traders. So the max returns are up to 92%, and the max returns on weekends are up to 95%. So if you'd like to do a few options over the weekend, you're going to get up to 95% returns there. It's amazing software. They also have a great little feature, trading tournaments, where you can actually enter tournaments with other traders, and then it might be a certain period of time where you have to actually grow your account the most, and then the winner will actually get some sort of prize. So you can see here I've entered into one where first place we get $800, ninth place $6. So the total prize fund here $250. If you go look at some finished ones, you'll see there currently all the tournaments are about $250, but these are free tournaments. And I think in the future they're going to actually, you can see here quite a lot of people you'll be going up against, over 1,000 other traders. But I think they're going to be releasing some bigger tournaments in the near future. So some more things about IQOPTION are that they also, for VIP customers, so when you have a bigger trading balance, that on losing trades, I'll actually refund up to 60%, which is quite good for losing trades. And they've also recently won the most innovative broker award at a recent Forex industry award night. So they're definitely leading the way in terms of software. All right, so my rating is that I've rated this software pretty much 42 out of 50. I've given it 9 out of 10 for returns, up to 92%. It's very high returns. Software platform I've given 10 out of 10. I think it's the best I've seen in a long time. There's just so many good things about the whole interface, the usability, the layout. It's got some great features there with the actual chart that it shows. It's almost up to the level of a MetaTrader chart. You can actually even put chart into candlesticks as well, different time periods. You can actually add some basic indicators, some trend lines. So it's got a lot of options there, a lot of options. The customer service I've given 9 out of 10. When I first inquired about joining the broker, they were basically replying to me straight away. Very good customer service. Banking options is probably the only point I think they are lacking. They could offer a few more, but they do have all the main ones, which I'll go through later. And the expiry times, they have turbo trading there, which is a 60-second trading, and then the expiry options start from 15 minutes. So I gave that 8 out of 10. So a bit about the company. It was founded in 2013. It's CSEC regulated. Okay, so if we move on to the contacts page, you'll see here that they have support email, support@IQOPTION.com. Also, they have a Skype option, so you can just add them on Skype, and that's one way to get in touch with them. Also, they have the main contact number here, which is a UK number, and also the head office is actually in Cyprus. You can also actually contact them via their ticket support system as well. Alright, so moving on to a bit more about IQ options in terms of their account options. They offer a 92% returns. The minimum deposit is $10, so it's actually quite good if you just want to give them a try and deposit a small amount just to see that you can deposit, and then you can also actually withdraw your money as well before investing in a larger amount. The minimum investment amount is $1 or $1 per trade, and the maximum is $1,000. They also offer a demo account, which I'm actually using right here for this demonstration. Also, if we go into their banking options, so we go here on left hand side, you see there's this personal cabinet function. So just clicked on deposit, and you can see here that you can deposit from as low as $10 all the way up to a maximum of $5,000. And also your deposit options are bank cards, MasterCard or Visa. E-wallet solutions are Skrill, Web Money. I believe they also offer for Russian deposits Yandex. And the currency that you can deposit in, you have 4 choices: USD, rubles, pounds, or euros. And also you get some deposit bonuses if you actually deposit as much as up to $100. But remember, there are going to be terms and conditions with the deposit, so be careful to read the terms and conditions before accepting a bonus. If you don't want the bonus, simply deselect checkbox. So moving to the withdrawals, you'll see here you can withdraw back to your bank card, do a wire transfer, or back to Skrill. So that's fairly straightforward. You're going to find that it takes up to 3 days to process your withdrawal, and make sure you have all your ID compliance in check. Otherwise, they're going to simply not allow you to withdraw until you actually prove who you are. So that might be a government ID photo, maybe your latest bill of your address. For VIP traders, you'll have same day withdrawals. Okay, so that's a bit more on that, on banking. So we've covered that. So now onto the trading platform. So like I mentioned before in my introduction, I think it's the best trading platform I've seen for a long time. So basically you've got your turbo option, which is just your 60-second option, and then you've got your normal high-low binary options. So once that loads up, you'll see here you've actually got a nice looking chart here, nice big chart. You've got the asset that you're currently on up here highlighted in blue. You can quickly switch to other assets as well, or drill down to the one that you might want, whether you want forex pairs, indices, or commodities. Really up to you. In this demonstration, they're actually only allowing you to trade on Euro USD, but obviously when you have a real account, everything's open. So moving on to the actual chart itself, you can actually switch to a candle bar chart, which I think is quite nice. You can add some indicators as well. There's the moving average, Bollinger Bands, RSI. You can put in some lines, such as support and resistance lines if you're really into your technical analysis. Put in trend lines as well. You can change the colors of those lines. So I think that's all really good stuff. You can zoom in, zoom out as well. And one thing I really like here is the actual expiration time here, so you can actually watch when you're actually going to be in and out of the money. So on the right hand side here, you've got your investment amount. So you've got a drop down box here. In real money mode, this will be from $1 up to 1,000. And then you've got your expiries here. So it goes in 15-minute lots. So the next one is in the current time right now is, I think it's in Australia, just 1:30. So the next one's 1:45. Or if you want to go to 2 o'clock, you can see here, you can see the actual graph changing here with the expiration time and where we are currently in time, or end of day. So I'll have to probably zoom out. It's probably not going to show on the chart unless I get the scroller, and it's probably not going to show on the chart there. But you can see there. And then you've got your two buttons here, your put and your call options. Remember, you can also unlock a one-click execution, so there's no confirmation. So when you click these buttons, the trade's going in. And then also you can see if there's any current positions that you've got at the moment. I've got one here that I've had traded earlier before I recorded this video. And a closed position as well, you'll see here. So I put in 50 and I got a $90 return. And down the bottom here, you've basically just got recent trades of fellow traders, so you can see what country they're from, how much they've actually invested, what direction they've invested, and that's actually on the same currency that you're currently on. And you can actually filter this to show only trades higher than $100 or trades higher than $500, for example. You can see here what other people are trading currently, which just gives you a bit of information as well. So we'll go through a live example. I'll switch to turbo options, exactly all the same layout, except your expiries are obviously in 1 minute lots here, just so you can actually see what it looks like in a real trade. So I'm just basically just for demonstration purposes. You'll see here a little arrow shows up to on the screen which way you'll be choosing. So we'll do a call. We've got a $50 investment amount. We might make the deadline. I'll make the deadline 1:39. So we'll do a call. So that's gone in. So we've got open position here on the AUD card. So you get a nice little sound here. So that was in the money. So it just gives you a little rundown of what's happened there. So there you go. And then your actual balance up the top here gets updated straight away. So some other things about this, it only offers high-low, so you don't have any other one-touch options or ladder options. It doesn't offer any of that. Basically just your high-low options. You can view this on your tablet. Actually, you can download if you have Android or an iPhone, you can download the mobile or smartphone versions of IQOPTION as well. And yeah, it covers all your assets. So if this is the first time that you've actually watched one of my videos, you might not be aware that I actually have an exclusive offer if you download IQOPTION via my website. I'm actually give you a risk-free trade. So if you happen to lose on your very first trade, I'll refund that up to $100. So that's just an exclusive offer by joining IQOPTION via binaryoptions.net.au. So if you have any questions about IQOPTION, please put them below this video. I'd really like to know if you think if there's anything you can improve on IQOPTION, if there's something features that they're lacking. If you've actually tried it, let me know. I'm always interested to see what other people have to say about various different brokers out there. I think this is one of the best ones out there. I think a lot of people are going to be switching from their current broker to IQOPTION. It's just a great layout, great interface, very good returns. This pretty much ticks all the boxes. Sorry for you US traders out there and you Japanese traders, you can't actually create an account, but for everyone else, I think this is the one to choose. So if this is the first time you've been watching one of my videos, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel is a way of bookmarking my site on your own YouTube feed. So every time I upload a new video, it's going to be straight in your video feed, and you just got to know what's happening out there in binary options land. Also, I have tons of more broker reviews, so just click on the links and you'll go to more broker reviews. Also, if you're interested in binary option signals, please click that link and you can go to PIP365 and various other signal services. So yeah, I think that's about it. So, and if you actually want to join IQOPTION, just please click on the little link overlaying this video in YouTube, and you'll get taken straight to the site, and that also will make you eligible for my risk-free trade offer. So until next time, may all your trades be profitable.